Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find Zoom recordings on your Mac. Start by opening Zoom and clicking Zoom in the menu bar. Select Preferences, then click Recording. Here, you'll see the folder location where Zoom saves your recordings. Take note of this path before continuing. In most cases, Zoom saves recordings inside the Documents folder. Open Finder, select Documents from the sidebar, and look for a folder named Zoom. Open it to view folders for your recorded meetings. If you've changed the recording location before, don't rely on the default Documents folder. Instead, use the exact path shown in Zoom's recording settings. In Finder, click the Go menu, choose Go to Folder, and paste the folder path to open it directly. Once you're in the correct folder, you should see your meeting recordings, including the video and audio files. If this video is helping you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. See you in the next video.